Hi everyone, today we have BTS's exhibition photo book for you guys here today. And I just got this and I'm super excited to open this. And okay, let's get to it. So there was a BTS exhibition for a while. It was called Oner today. And I actually didn't get a chance to go to that, so I figured I'd buy the exhibition photo book. I heard that they included some extra photos in this, and so let's see what's inside. Oh, it's super heavy. Let's get the box out of the way and open this. Wow, it's huge. I thought it was like a tiny photo book, but it's an actual huge heavy album. And here is the cover. It says Oner 24/7 Serendipity BTS Exhibition. And there they are on the cover. Let's take a look at the back. On the back are the different chapters and hidden track. And it's very heavy but very beautiful. Let's open this carefully. You don't want to hurt the album. I don't know why I have such trouble opening this. I'm just trying to be really careful. Here we go. Here we go. We do not go. Hold on. One more time. Don't want to scratch the pages. Okay, now here we go. Here we go. Feel like I'm opening a Christmas present. I'm so excited. Okay. The wrapper is off and here's the album. Wow, it's magnetic. What is this? What is this? Oh, I think these are the extra photos that they included. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Guys, the excitement is real. Here is Namjoon. These are actual like Fujifilm photos. Like these are like photography photos. Here's Namjoon. And here we have Suga. Aw, Jin. J-Hope! I actually saw a video today of him in this shirt. I was wondering what this was for, but anyway. Here's Jimin and V, our Taeyong, and here is the maknae Jungkook. These are the extra photos that they included. I'm gonna set that aside, and let's take a look at the actual photo book. And these are actual photos from the exhibition, so I understand why there were a lot. Here, the contents about the stage. I'm sure true ARMYs can guess who these members are just by looking at their feet. I can't yet, so I need to kind of improve. Here's the greeting. And we start off with Namjoon, the leader. These would individually make great posters, but I'm not gonna cut them out because how could I cut them? And these are photos of what the actual exhibition was like. They had different sections. They had a mic drop section. Wow, I wish I'd gone. There's an ARMY time capsule over here. And these are photos of them actually installing the exhibition rooms. It says beginning. And the exhibition was held for 2 months. I could have gone, but I did not. And here I believe they wrote these themselves. That is awesome. These are things that they feel express themselves. So Suga, for instance, he's from Daegu, so he wrote Daegu over here. And he drew in a bed, and we all know he's good at basketball. So he also drew basketball. And who should we take a look at? Look at Jin, he drew his wide shoulders over here. And of course he wrote handsome. And Jungkook, yes, his is most artistic. Sports shooting, sing, dance, Busan, clean sleep, passion, golden maknae, food, sports. And V, he included his character over here. And look, he drew Yeonta and his dog. Isn't that cute? And Jimin, he wrote army and friend and family, and oh, this is great. And J-Hope, he likes these like the figure, the toys, and so he added that. And of course he has dance in there. And Namjoon, family, friends, music, BTS, army. This is great. Okay, let's move on. This is the Joro section, apparently. And here are the photos. Guys, aren't these beautiful? Oh my goodness. This is section 3, mic drop. Here are them at the Melody Music Awards in 2013, K-Pop Awards, the show. These are the first awards that they got. And here are more photos from different awards ceremonies. Here they are. And this is them from the 2018 Billboard Music Awards. These are the lyrics from Airplane Part 2. Love this song. And section 4 is Forever. Young Forever. I'm looking at these photos and I can hear the songs playing in my head. It's like an automatic background music playing. Here are more photos. Sorry, I'm gonna kind of go through these a little quickly. This is section 5, Bangtan room. And these are memories of their workspaces. Can you guys guess who these belong to? This is Jimin's, J-Hope, RM. Section 6, Tear. These are lyrics from Outro, Her, 2017, and here they are practicing their choreography. Section 7, Mic Drop. Section 8, Spring Day. Spring Day was one of the first songs I ever listened to of BTS. And these photos. We're gonna kind of go through these a little quickly. Oh, these are photos by the members. So this photo is by V, this one's by Jimin, this one's by Jungkook. These are photos taken by the members themselves that they had on display at the exhibition. I think these are stickers. And these are actual stickers. These are stickers. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. Here are lyrics from Spring Day. Section 9, Love Maze. They wrote things in themselves. This is section 10. Section 11. Lyrics from Reflection. And what is this? Oh my goodness, this is tracing paper and this is RM's 남준's, this is Minsuga. Wow, guys, look at the quality. This is great. Kim Seokjin, J-Hope, Park Jimin, Kim Taehyung, and we have Jungkook, Jeon Jungkook. I think these are poems that they wrote, and here we go. Section 12. So these are songs that they would recommend. This, I think Jimin recommended Serendipity as a lullaby, and on Tuesdays he recommends that we listen to Answer. And these are more recommendations by each of the members. And section 13. Section 14. These close-ups are really cute. And here, section 15, Army Bomb. Section 16, Wings. Oh, cute. Section 17. So this part of the exhibition, they had moving frames, moving frame video play, which must have been really cool. Snap action, army capsule. Jin says, "Everyone, I love you." These are interviews that they took part in. Wish I could translate all this for you guys, but I feel like it's gonna take more than one short video to do so. So we're just gonna kind of skip through that. And here are shots of them during the interview. Hidden track. So each member chose a different theme that they wanted to do, and Jimin chose the bath scene from the Run music video. This is Jungkook's. This is his drawing. This is his. Dang. This is Suga's piano. This is the piano that he actually played during one of the performances, during one of their tour performances. And this is the glass lamp that Jin had with him in the Fake Love music video. And this is J-Hope's graphic. This is his space over here. And V's mask from the Singularity music video. RM's call box. And this is the tunnel, the entrance and exit sections. And this is a history of all BTS stuff, their albums. Bridge container box. These are photos from I Need You and Run. Moving posters. Wall text. Poster and MD shoot making. BTS Indie exhibition. Here are photos of them visiting the exhibition and working on different items. And here they are. And these are special thanks to by each of the members. RM, he says, it's Namjoon, he says thank you. And Suga, he also says thank you to the ARMY, as well as Jin and J-Hope. He says that he wishes that ARMY will, continue to be with them. Here's Jimin and V and Jungkook. And that is the end of the photo book. These were a lot of photos, but I'm glad I got to show you guys all of it, even if it was just for like, less than a second that I spent on each page. But this is really nice, and I hope you guys enjoyed this, and hopefully we'll have more K-pop and more BTS stuff for you guys in the future. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you. And here's a last look at the members over here. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll meet you guys with another unboxing video soon. So thank you. Bye.